So hello guys, and I'm sorry for not really making anything so far. And we are playing Forest. It's a survival horror game. I haven't actually done that much of horror in my YouTube series, and generally I just haven't done that much horror. So I think this will be I'm very excited for this, and I think it'll be very surprising and different. So I'm really looking forward to this. So what's going on? Okay, it seems to be night. Oh, hey little man. Oh my man. Yeah. Let's go see what's outside there. Oh, okay. Whoa! Shit. Oh no! No, Jimmy! Oh no, Jimmy! Jimmy! Oh no. I like this. The fuck's going on? Oh my god. Jimmy! Oh no! Jimmy? Oh my god, I'm scared actually. I'm actually... Whoa! What the fuck? Hey, what? No! No, Jimmy! Nice ass though. Not what? Why? Why did he take? It's like trying to get like I don't know. Why didn't he? Oh shit! This game's got good graphics. Wait, I need to turn my Toby just down. Okay. E to take. Can I take that? Okay, I'm a bit. Okay. Let's just take everything we can. Because I assume. Oh, there's a leg there. Okay. So we fight like that. Okay. The little bunny. Where'd the bunny go? Okay. So I think you can do this, like whack this, and then stuff falls out. Okay, that's cool. Hello? Okay. So I just played this game, and I'm really looking forward to this. Okay, a rock. Okay. Well, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do there. Apparently there's tribesmen, so I'm kind of worried. Okay, a stick. Another stick. Apparently they can climb trees. I don't think there's tribesmen, is there? Okay, let's just get rocks. Can we? Right, how do we? Can we open up our inventory? Out somehow? I just heard something. E. Alright, we're picking up lots of sticks here. I'm not sure how, like, can we chop down a? Oh, we can chop down a tree. That's cool. It's pretty cool. I think we should stay by there. I don't think the trimen's like the shore. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna venture out and see what we have to do once I figure out the controls. So options. Whoa. Okay. Make sure. Okay, let's just hang around for now. Okay. So I'm in the middle. I want to get to the shore because it seems like a safe place. Because I don't like the jungle, like the forest. Even though kind of game is called the forest, but that's a nice tree. Can I cut that down? I guess I can't. Okay. So, here's a shore. I don't think I've seen any enemies yet. Unless they're stalking me. So, here's a nice forest. Okay, so how are we? Press B. Oh, okay. So, fire. I think we should start making a shelter, temporary. Let's make this. Okay, where are we gonna make it? Let's make it on the shore a bit more. So let's get that over here. Oh dear. Oh, hello there, sir. What the hell? What's that? I'm scared right now. Alright, let's just place that there. Wait. Oh, we've already got like a lot of stuff anyway. Seems to be suitcases. Yeah. A lot of stuff. What's the hell? Lol. Yeah, seagulls! Okay. Right, seagulls are invincible. Oh no, they're not. Can I pick up? I guess they're like... Yeah, seagulls have... Oh my god. Wait, I think... Right, this is seagull slaughter. Okay, let's... I think I need some trees. So let's cut this baby down. Let's cut this down. Do 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 do. Okay, this seems to be an invincible tree. Whoa! Okay. Oh. Nice. Can I pick up like fruit? Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck are they doing? Seagull. Shh. Shh. Okay. Need to get my logs. Seem to be like scouting out. The other guy's like, ooh, I'm out of here. I don't know what the hell they think they're doing. Like, who the hell do you think you are, boy? Okay. Seems like they've gone. Whoa, I think I just seen my first tribesman. I think they're tribesmen. Well, I don't know who they are. They could be friendly. Never know. Could go out to them and say hello. Ish. Let's cut this down. Come on. Takes forever. Whoa. Okay, let's just make the hunting shelter first. I think we're gonna make a hunting shelter, and then I think that might be just for today. I don't know. Okay. I don't want them jumping up on me. It's not gonna be good if they do. Not good at all. This doesn't really seem as very convenient for cutting down trees, but I guess it's the only thing I have at the moment. So. Oh damn. It's a big tree. Oh yeah, so I have on the bottom right, I think that's my hunger, and then I have health, and then like stamina and energy. But if I open these, I might be able to get some energy and stuff. I'm not sure what else. How much I'm gonna. Doesn't seem like I could be able to pick that stuff up. Alright, let's get these logs. Dope, dope. I wonder what killed that shark. Maybe there's tribesmen did. We should go back and check out that body. So there. Okay, we need more logs. Damn it. Yeah, I cut a tree down here, didn't I? That's why I saw those a-holes. Is that a buddy there? Okay, I think I need sticks. So seems to be a lot of starfishes. Hey, starfishes. So I think we're gonna make the hunting shelter, and I think that's gonna be enough for now. Let's get all these sticks. Okay. 6, they seem to be. They latching to rolling. They hate him. Okay, this seems to be the only amount. Ooh, lightning. I think I just saw lightning. Damn. Alright, let's build this. Come on. Are you kidding me? What? How much stuff do I have? How do I go in my inventory? That's B. So B's the. I'm just going through all my whole keyboard. P, I, T, E. Oh, Q. Okay. Crafting map. Place item. Whoa! How am I doing that? So weird. Stop it. Lay it back. Oh, L's for lighter. Okay, that's cool. So let's go. I don't know what the seagulls are doing. It's like having a mating ritual or something. Okay. Get these sticks. If it will let me. How much stuff do I have? Got lots of booze. Let's drink some of them. Flare. Cloth. Meds, just keep that. Survival guide, I need that. We have. Yeah, I think I have quite a lot of sticks. Hopefully this should be enough. Hopefully, you don't come across my territory. But it's my land. Should go out to that boat, check it out. Like after I make this, I should. Oh, I need stones. Are you kidding me? Stones. Here we go. I don't need like rocks. More stones. Okay, there seems to be quite a bit here. Stones. This is my turf. And we come here. Okay, I think. Wow, those trees are massive. I should cut those down. Well, actually, they're all pretty big. Yay! I can save my game. Alright, let's go sleep. Alright, I wanna go sleep again. I don't like this. Oh god damn it. I don't like nighttime. Sleep again. Sleep again. Okay. Right, it seems to be like becoming morning. There's sharks got swag. Okay. Look at die in style like you. Right, let's go to the boat. Apparently, I think there's sharks in here. Oh, there's little fishies. Fishies. That's cool. Let's... I'm actually really scared of... Oh, there's sharks over there. Holy poo. Okay. Let's just get on here and then we'll be safe. Eh. Okay. That's cool. Some cloth. Just take everything. Get out of here, this is my turf. Get off my turf. Get off my turf. God damn it. Get off my turf. God damn it. No. 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 Okay, this seems like I've got everything. Oh no, Mr. Sharkies. You go away. Sharkies are coming closer. Girl. Get off my turf. It's my sea sharks. My beach. Can I go underwater? That'd be cool. I think you can only get off it by underwater if you jump into it. Well guys, this is Forest. This is my first episode. I hope you... What the fuck? What are they doing? There was a body there. That's where I found that body. Are they cutting it up? What the fuck are they doing? Right, let's go and talk to them. I'm not sure if that's a good idea, but let's go and talk to them. Hey! Hey, hey! My turf! You know how I communicate? Hey, what the fuck are you doing? This is my beach. Cannibals! Holy shit, you're cannibals! Holy shit! Whoa, whoa! The fuck? The fuck? Peace, 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 peace. You are eating a person. You actually know that. The fuck? Go away. Go away. No. Get the fuck away. No. It's my turf. Get off it. My fucking turf. No. 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 It's my turf. Nope. 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 Get off my fucking turf! Get your fuck off my... What the fuck just happened? Holy shit, where the fuck am I? Well guys, if you want to see where I get from here, go and see the next episode. Peace out. I'm kind of scared right now. Peace.